Welcome back to Entrepreneurial Edge, where we break down the wildest business success stories. Today we're counting down 10 everyday items that turned into billion-dollar empires, stuff you probably have at home right now. Think billion-dollar ideas are rare. Think again. Some of the world's biggest brands started with the simplest products. We'll show you how a failed glue, a pair of scissors, and even an ugly shoe made fortunes, and how you can spot your own billion-dollar idea. Ready to be inspired? Let's dive in. Number 10 is the Post-it note, a total accident. Dr. Spencer Silver at 3M was trying to make a super strong glue, but ended up with a weak adhesive that nobody wanted. Years later, Art Fry, frustrated with bookmarks falling out of his hymn book, remembered the useless glue. He put it on paper, and the Post-it note was born. 3M now sells over 50 billion Post-it notes every year. A failed experiment became a billion-dollar staple. Sometimes, the best ideas come from mistakes. Number 9 is Sarah Blakely in Spanx. She hated how her pants looked, so she cut the feet off her pantyhose. Instant solution. With no experience and just $5,000, she wrote her own patent and hustled her way into stores. Oprah's endorsement made Spanx explode. Sarah became the world's youngest self-made female billionaire, all from a pair of scissors and a simple fix. Sometimes, solving your own problem is the billion-dollar idea. Number 8. Crocs, the shoe everyone loves to hate. Designed for boating, they were mocked for being ugly. But Crocs leaned into their weirdness, focused on comfort, and targeted people on their feet all day. Collaborations with celebrities and high-fashion brands turned Crocs into a pop culture icon. Jibbitz charms made them customizable. Crocs went from joke to multi-billion-dollar brand. Embrace what makes you different. Number 7 is Starbucks. It started as a tiny Seattle shop selling coffee beans, not drinks. Howard Schultz saw Italian coffee bars as community hubs and brought that vision to America. He transformed Starbucks into a third place between home and work. Buying coffee became a daily ritual and a lifestyle. Now Starbucks is a $100 billion empire with over 35,000 stores. Sometimes it's about changing the experience, not the product. Number 6. Velcro. Swiss engineer George de Mestral noticed burrs sticking to his clothes after a walk with his dog. Under a microscope, he saw tiny hooks and loops, nature's fastener. He spent years perfecting a synthetic version, Velcro. NASA adopted it, and soon, it was everywhere. Inspiration can come from the most unexpected places. Number 5. James Dyson and his relentless pursuit of a better vacuum. Frustrated by clogged bags, he built 5,127 prototypes in his garage. Everyone told him to quit, but he kept going. The result? The world's first bagless vacuum. No one would license it, so he started his own company. Dyson is now a $10 billion brand. Relentless persistence pays off. Number 4. GoPro. Surfer Nick Woodman wanted to film his adventures but couldn't find the right camera. He built a simple waterproof camera with a wrist strap, funded by selling belts from his van. GoPro let anyone capture epic moments, turning customers into content creators. It became a billion-dollar brand by empowering people to share their stories. Solve a problem for yourself, and millions might follow. Number 3. The Snuggie, a blanket with sleeves, marketed with a hilariously bad infomercial. The ad went viral, and Snuggie became a meme before memes were cool. Over 20 million sold in the first year, proof that clever marketing can turn even the silliest idea into a gold mine. Sometimes, it's all about how you sell it. Number 2. The Fidget Spinner. It started as a stress relief tool but went viral on social media in 2017. Suddenly, every kid had one, and stores couldn't keep up. With the patent expired, anyone could make and sell them. The market hit $500 million almost overnight. Social media can turn a simple toy into a global craze. Number 1. Red Bull. Austrian Dietrich Mateschitz discovered a Thai energy drink, saw its potential, and partnered with its creator. He reformulated it, gave it a sleek can, and marketed it as a premium product. Red Bull sponsored extreme sports and wild events, building a brand around energy and adventure. They didn't just sell a drink, they sold a lifestyle. Now Red Bull sells over 11 billion cans a year. Sometimes it's all about how you position your product. That's a wrap. 10 everyday items that became billion-dollar empires. None started with a grand plan, just a simple solution to a real problem. The lesson? Pay attention to the small frustrations around you. Your billion-dollar idea could be hiding in plain sight. If you enjoyed this, hit like, share, and subscribe for more insane business stories. Thanks for watching. See you next time.